In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for keyword research. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use Semrush can be a game changer in your SEO strategy. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and search for Semrush. Once you've navigated to their website, you'll need to log in if you already have an account. If not, signing up is straightforward and well worth the time, as Semrush offers a suite of powerful tools that you'll find indispensable in your digital marketing toolkit. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Keyword Magic tool or Keyword Overview within the SEO dashboard. These tools are your entry points for diving deep into keyword analysis. If you're unsure which one to start with, don't worry. We'll cover the unique capabilities of each. Now, let's put those capabilities to use. Enter a primary keyword that's related to your business, topic, or content idea into the search bar. Be sure to select your target country or region so that the data you receive is as relevant as possible to your audience. Using the Keyword Magic tool first, you'll be met with a list of related keywords, all neatly grouped by topic. This feature is fantastic when you want to explore broader content themes. You'll want to use filters such as search volume and keyword difficulty to refine the results to your specific needs. Another handy feature is the Questions tab, perfect for finding question-based keywords that can help you further tailor your content to what your audience is searching for. You can also utilize match modifiers like broad match, phrase match, and exact match to further refine your search according to your strategy. Switching over to the Keyword Overview tool, this option provides a wealth of information about a single keyword. Here you can analyze search volume, keyword difficulty, and even see the top-ranking pages for that keyword. This is invaluable for understanding the keyword's potential fully. Additionally, you can compare your website's performance against your competitors using the Organic Research Report, giving you a strategic edge in optimizing your content. Lastly, after analyzing all this data, it's crucial to prioritize your keywords effectively. Focus on those with high search volume and manageable difficulty to ensure that you're targeting keywords that can drive significant traffic while still being attainable within your SEO strategy. By following these steps and utilizing Semrush's robust tools, you'll be well equipped to conduct effective keyword research that supports your SEO goals. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you find Semrush as beneficial to your marketing efforts as I have. Happy keyword researching!